Get a glimpse into Tjene's in-house computer-aided design services, also known as CAD, to help you seamlessly integrate your organization's digital floor plans into IBM TRIRIGA's Space Management system. When using the IBM TRIRIGA Space Management module, one of its features include visibility of the organization's various floor plans and spaces. The floor plans that are uploaded into the system can then be used for several IBM TRIRIGA applications that are connected to the system, such as the Space Assessment app, Reservation app, Dynamic Space Planning tool, and more. Let's go through the process of how Tjene's in-house CAD team can help easily integrate a floor plan drawing within a workplace management system to be used in various mobile applications. As a CAD team member, once I have received the client's floor plan, I will use the AutoCAD program to prepare the drawing for integration. This includes creating 4 new mandatory layers. The gross area, which outlines the footprint of the entire floor. The gross measured area, which includes the usable space within a floor. The space boundaries, which includes a polyline for each space on the floor. The space names, which labels the identified space boundaries, as well as the option to classify the space to identify what it is used for, such as an office, bathroom, or conference room, and more. Once all layers are completed, the floor plan is ready to be integrated into IBM TRIRIGA. I will click IBM TRIRIGA, then Smart Attach, to select the completed layers under the corresponding fields. I will then select the location that I want to attach the floor plan to on the right-hand side. The floors that appear here will mirror the exact location hierarchy within the TRIRIGA system. The gold chain icon represents a location that does not have an existing floor plan attached to the floor. The silver chain icon represents a location that already has a CAD floor plan attached to it. Once a floor is selected, select All Records and click Upload. A pop-up will appear to confirm the number of records that were successfully created or updated. Let's publish the drawing to IBM TRIRIGA. For further verification of the integration, let's move on to view the floor record in IBM TRIRIGA. I will navigate to the Locations tab. Select the floor that the CAD drawing was integrated to. Click the Graphics tab to view the floor plan. Select Menu and the Space Details theme to view floor plan details that were created in CAD. With the floor plan that was created in CAD now attached to the space record in IBM TRIRIGA, any additional updates that need to be made to the floor plan can be quickly synced between the two systems. For example, if I need to make an update to the space boundary, I can make the update in CAD. Click IBM TRIRIGA, Sync Full, publish the drawing, and then refresh my page in IBM TRIRIGA to easily view the new updates in the floor record. With Tjene's in-house CAD and IBM TRIRIGA team, we can assess and prepare your floor plans, integrate your floor plans to TRIRIGA for various space applications, and enable you to manage all your spaces within one system, which will all enhance your employees' overall workplace experience.